Michigan is the #1 tart cherry producing state in the country and #4 in sweet cherries. In an effort to increase production in trees in years 4 and 5, Michigan State University researcher Ron Perry is growing new, smaller varieties and harvesting them with a blueberry harvester.
A planting of different varieties, including Montmorency as a standard comparison, to see if we could do that where we would prune and train these trees to keep them small, and then eventually be able to mechanically harvest them over the row using the blueberry harvester.
The trees were grown in a nursery with the lateral starting near ground level, just like a blueberry plant.
For example, we would have branching that starts down here. In our traditional orchard, the trees and their branches start up here. So we're starting the canopy lower, and we've even added a practice in here where we're actually starting to hedge with mechanical pruner during late June, early July, to actually influence the canopy early on to break many laterals to keep the plant small and compact.
One concern for Perry is cherry leaf spot.
And if you look at the Carmine Jewel here, we have some leaf spot, but we also have a lot of new healthy leaves that are developing in these bushes. So we do have some cherry leaf spot. The question will be is how serious will it be in comparison to our traditional variety? And it may be that these varieties are more sustainable from the standpoint that it would require less chemical to basically keep the disease suppressed. And a grower would love that, to be able to not have to do it, and the consumer would like to know whether or not they can grow these organically or with less chemical input.
Keeping Michigan producing a high volume of cherries is what Perry hopes this research project will accomplish.
We have a lot of promise and interest that these could actually become commercial in the future.
Michigan State University AgBioResearch, changing the face of science.